Yo, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. It's Harshad side, founder of ClickWave AI. It's almost 11 at the night and it's raining pretty heavily outside, and there is no power also. And again, I don't live in my, I mean, I don't live with my parents actually. I live in the terrace. There is a separate room called storage room. I live right there. So right now there is no power, there is no UPS as well. So I'm just using my phone's camera and I'm just recording the video. Not camera actually, I'm just using the flash. So today we are gonna build a simple N8N voice agent actually. We are using Retell and N8N will act as the backend and Retell will be the front end. So I'll explain you the use case before we get into the video. The use case is simple. When a customer, not exactly a customer, when a client calls, this automation is exactly for agency owners, content creation agencies, marketing agencies. This is actually a lead capture system and auto follow appointment booker kind of something like that. And again, it's not traditional appointment booker. It's like I showed you in my last video, right? It's kind of that. So I'll directly get into the video. You will understand as I show you and explain everything. So first thing is you can see I have created a multi-state agent in Retell, and again it was not even that necessary. I just created for no use. Honestly, you people can do this with single, what do you call it? Single state agent. You don't need multi-state agent again, and the prompt is pretty simple. You don't have to again. I did not type the prompt on my own. I used ChatGPT basically because I was also working on this Vappy thing, guys. I was trying to build a voice agent in Vappy, so I was a bit tired. So yeah, and the prompt I just copy pasted. Shit, fine. I'll just discard it. Just a minute. I'll reopen it. Okay, you can see the prompt is perfect now. And I have added a knowledge base, which this knowledge base is my company's knowledge base basically. And the functions I have just added a function called leads right here. And again, I'll show you, we'll do the live building again. Before that, let me go to new tab and open up retail. Okay, yeah, we'll do the retail. And I was working on Vappy also, and Vappy charges $0.5 as the customer, like what do you call it, monthly maintenance charge. Retail is free, so I just used retail. So we'll just create it from scratch, guys. I just opened it like this. Okay, just a minute. Voice agent we have to choose. Let it be single prompt agent. Let's start it from blank. Again, we are not writing the prompt. We are just copy pasting the same exact prompt. You people also can use my exact prompt, or else you can use ChatGPT as well. Like, you don't use ChatGPT fully for writing prompt, just write a basic prompt, copy paste, and tell ChatGPT to modify the prompt, and you people do the changes again. That would be like a great move. I mean, that's how smart people write prompts. Because when I was a beginner, I used to sit and write prompts. It would take a lot of time. So let's add an end call as well. The reason is we have to save up the credits again. We don't have to burn it out. And cal.com, yeah, see, I have not checked out this feature right here, the cal.com thing, because yeah, I think cal.com is a pretty useful tool, but I have not checked this out. The reason is I have used cal.com. Basically in my last video I used cal.com through in N8N. I have not checked out cal.com in retail. Again, yeah, I'll do a separate video on that. Right now we'll just do lead captures. We'll not do the this thing. What do you call that? Yeah, appointment booking. We'll not do appointment booking in next video. I'll make a separate dedicated video. That's you will do it using Vappy because I found Vappy very interesting tool. So yeah, we just added a function and we should add one more custom function right here. I'll go to editor. I'll save this up. I'll create a new again. I have to move my this thing right here. Yeah, perfect. Let's name it something like Retell. Okay, let's add a webbook right here. Let's change the middle from get to post. Let's rename the part something like Retell. Yeah, let's copy the test URL right here. Let's go back to Retell right here. Let's name it something called as leads or else clients. Triggers when the I'm sorry, the trigger is misspelled. Triggers when the caller wants triggers when the caller provides their information. Okay, we just pasted the test URL. We'll change this to 15,000 whatever. And again, we can do JSON and form. I'll go with form. So we need only three informations right here because in this thing I have added full name, email, and industry. Let's add a full name. Yeah, captures the full name of the caller. Okay, captures the full name of the caller. Let's make it required. And again, yeah, let's rename it to email. Captures the email address of the caller. Perfect. You might ask me, how are you getting all those values right there? And it's because I was using retail and the information data I stored. Now what? Yeah, industry. Let's see. Perfect. So let's go. Let's save it up pretty quick. Oh, what the hell? Leads. Okay, must be here. Okay, yeah. Fine, we'll change the tool name. Retail. We'll change it to retail. I think industry is a problem right here. I don't know. Okay, it got saved. Perfect. And one more tip right here is if you're using this thing, what do you call that? Custom function. Always make sure to like there should be no spaces or blanks in between your things between the two words you type there. So okay, I mean let's just test out our this thing. Let's click on execute right here. Let's test out the webbook. Before that, I have to move my thoughts. Let me publish. Let me test the chat. Let's go. And it is on. Yeah, it's waiting. I'll type I. Honestly, I'm not able to look into this thing. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Hmm. I want to know about your legion gen services. Okay, we got so much. I mean, we should have no mood to read this. And again, yeah, the prompt is not good because I literally copy pasted it from ChatGPT. And I told you people I was working on Vappy, so I was too lazy. And again, nowadays I'm just managing with 5 hours of sleep because of the college thing. Fine, no worries. Thank you. Okay, I'll have to capture your details. So I'll just type in my details as well. My email, gmail.com. Again, we can also test audio. Right now, I'm not testing the audio because you people can't listen my audio. Business, I work in real estate. Okay, I don't work in real estate. I'm just 18 years old and I go to college. Okay, yeah, perfect. We got all the leads captured, and again, we don't need anything. Let's just add an edit set fields node. Let's drag and drop. I'll directly search body right here. So yeah, well, where the hell can I even find this content? Yeah, full name, email. Okay, the email is not captured, guys. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'll reprompt it right now live. I mean, I'm of this. I don't like errors. So yeah, we did not get the email and the keywords. So yeah, just a minute. I'll bring up my camera. I'll reprompt it right now. Let me delete this chat before that. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. I'm sleepy. You already captured plus customer support. You are supposed to okay before. Be polite, professional. Okay, okay, understood. I'll delete everything from this. Capture manufacturing. Okay. Be polite. Okay, no, this is not how you have to prompt. I'll give it my own guidelines. Always ask the caller their full name. Wait a minute. Curly bracket, full underscore name, perfect, and address them with their full name. Perfect. I'm sorry, guys, I'm too sleepy because I don't get a lot of sleep. Always has to call us their full name and address. Okay. And then one more thing, we have to add one more this. Second one is ask them the reason for the call. The reason is misspelled again. Yeah, I'll do it quick. And what's the third command? If the caller wants to know if the caller is asking general questions and queries, go ahead and use knowledge base to access answers. Okay, I'm sorry, this is my third yawn in the video. I'll make you people as well sleepy. Okay, if the caller access answers, perfect. What else? Yeah, after answering the caller's questions, capture their information, their information, comma, for this call, Retell and Retell, what do you call it in our, this is called functions, right? And the functions, okay, perfect. The prompt is simple, but the, oh, what? Not published. Why? Why, dude? Let's go inbound. What's the problem? What's the issue actually? I'll just type something randomly and I'll just publish it. Could not publish agent, but why? Why can't you publish the agent? We bracket should inbound member. I can't even select one. Why can't I even publish the agent? Like what's the issue? What exactly is the issue in me publishing the agent? I mean, yeah, I'm not able to understand that. I'm not able to select my number as well. I honestly don't understand the point why I'm not able to select. I'll go for outbound this time. Let me see. If not, I mean, what? Why can't I even publish the agent? Single prompt agent only, no. Was I able to publish? Honestly, the prompt has not been updated. I'll delete it again and I'll do it again. Yeah. So yeah, boys and girls, we finally did it and even the current is back. So I modified the prompt and let's just go and test it out. I'll click on execute. Now, I think a little will work now. Manual chat. I could do this for okay. I want to know about liquid apes legend. So and we got the legend. We got email. I'll type up my email. Perfect. Okay, I did not prompt this and all. I don't know why this is coming. Okay, we got the information. But yeah, the body and this thing did not get captured anyway. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it does matters. Why it doesn't matter? I'll retry them. I'll prompt it again. Capture the following info underscore name, email. Okay, perfect. Now again, I don't want to test it again. I don't want to make the video lengthy. Okay, perfect. We deleted that field. We'll go to Google Sheets right here. So yeah, we will map it right now. So yeah, guys. Oh, we got an error. What's the error? An extra column. That's the error. We'll map it automatically. It will be mapped. No worries. And next step, I'll tell you guys. I'll not do it manually right now because I'm gonna make a separate video on this thing, appointment booker, because I saw that cal.com thing in Vappy. I mean in retail, so I was pretty impressed by that. Again, right now I'll tell you what we can do with the Google Sheets info. I'll show you the skeletal structure. So what we can do is we can add a Google Sheets trigger right here. Okay. It would be trigger, not action. Triggers on row added or updated. So whenever a row gets added in Google Sheets, right here, like this would be in a new workflow. We'll add an AI agent right here. We'll add a chat model and tools as well. And as soon as the row gets added in Google Sheets, the data gets passed on to AI agent, and we'll prompt AI agent in such a way that the AI agent sends an automatic email, like a follow-up email to the person whoever contacted us. It's like yeah, follow-up exactly. After that, we'll send an email in such a way that hyper personalized email in such a way that the person the cal.com meeting link will be sent again. The person schedules or books a meeting with us, and automatically the confirmation link will be sent, and we'll get a lead alert. And also, yeah, we'll get a lead alert, and the this thing will be updated. What do you call it? Again, one more confirmation message will be sent to him, and we'll get a lead alert through Telegram or Slack. I have actually made that, guys. I'll show you. My last video was about that only. It was this thing, auto follow. Yeah, this one. This is the one. So this is where like the cal.com trigger happens whenever a person books a meeting. The AI agent sends the confirmation link, information, and the URL, meeting URL. And again, it's running on autopilot. I don't have to do it manually. And I'll show you there is something called a email sales agent. What this does is basically email gets triggered, text get classified if it's business emails. The basic LLM chain right here summarizes, and the AI agent answers the FAQs as well. Yeah, writes a personalized. No, this is not for answering FAQs. The AI agent writes personalized scripts for us, and again, it also sends the cal.com link. And whenever the person books a meeting in cal.com, it will be automated again. That's how it works basically. So I honestly thought of doing that in today's video, but I saw that retail this thing meeting booking in cal.com meeting booking in retail. So my next video will be about meeting appointment scheduler. So until then, stay tuned. I mean, I hope you people like this video, and it's not even that hard. You people can build. This is a lead capture system, and again, you can use the AI agent for sending auto follow-ups and these things. If you want a video, I'll definitely make on that as well. Leave a comment. I don't get any comments, so yeah. So I'll sleep off now. I have to wake up early and work again. So I'm logging off for the day. Bye bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video.